Alright, so let's do significant numbers with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. There are two different sets of rules. The first one is with addition, subtraction. So let's do that first. If I have, alright, I'm going to line these up, and you, with this, just like in math, you always line it up so your decimals line up. And then we're going to add just like we do in math. So that's 8, 1, 2, 1, and there's my decimal. Now I'm going to go to the last significant figure in each number. Here it's this 3, and here it's this 8. I draw a line down, the first one that I reach, and that gets me to that 0. I look, I see that this should round up, because this one is not going to be significant. I don't know what this number is, so I cannot say that this is significant, that I know what it is, right? So my answer to this would be 12.1. Let's do one more. Alright, we're going to do the exact same thing. Remember that here, according to my rules for 0, that is not significant. There is not a decimal. So my 3 is my last significant number here. My 6 is my last significant number here. So draw your line. That's as far as I can go, but I still have my 1 spot. I cannot get rid of my 1 spot, so I'm just going to change it to an insignificant 0. So my answer here would be 240. Let's do a subtraction problem. Okay, do the same thing. Here's my last significant, here's my last significant, so we're going to go to there. We round up, so it is 3.3. Alright, so my rules with with addition, subtraction, line up your decimal and go to the first place that runs out of significant figures. That's where you're going to go to. With multiplication and division, timesing and dividing. Alright. So we're going to start out with 23.6 times 12. Here, instead of lining it up and going to the last significant figure, excuse me, we count the number of significant figures in each one. So this is 3, my 2, my 3, and my 6. This is 2. And we pick the smallest number for the number that our answer should have. When we multiply this out, we get 283.2. I can only have 2 of those, so my answer is 280. Okay, looking here to see if I round, it's 3, so I don't. 89.5 divided by 0.158 gives me 566.4556. This is 3. This is also 3, so I go to my first 3. Looking here, I don't round up. 566. Okay. 8,926 divided by 0.1 is 89,260. I have 4 here. I have 1 there. So I can only use one significant figure, and all these other ones have to go to zeros. So it is 90,000. Okay, so for multiplication division, you find the least number of significant figures, and that is how many numbers your answer should have.